Hello, this is a tutorial I'm gonna go over some things about wiki editing. The main things I'm gonna talk about are like character pages, how to redirect character pages in a couple different ways, how to like isolate kanji from an image. That's pretty much the main things. So there's two websites that are really useful. JapaneseKeyboard.net. You can type both katakana and hiragana, and if I want to, and also kanji.sljfaq.org. So I have Ryuko Shiratama pulled up. I have her page. I already have the kanji here, but I'm gonna just like go through again what I did to get that from the image, because full disclosure, my Japanese is not very good, and yeah, okay, let me put that here, put this here, yeah, so zoom in. Okay, so we see this tutorial assumes that you know how to read hiragana and katakana. If you don't, I go somewhere else for that, sorry. So here, Shiratama, we'll focus on her last name first. So the kanji recognition stroke order, if you're like me, you don't want this on because, again, my Japanese is kind of terrible. So, I'll be just drawing a picture, basically. And down here, we look at this one. This is it. It redirects here, and it'll tell you, what it is. So we can see the pronunciation, Shira, Shiro, Shira. Those are the pronunciations, means white. So that, double checking that you do have the right thing is nice. So we can, copy paste that. Hold on, let me go back. For example, if I accidentally click this one, none of these pronunciations are right. Do undo to go back. You can hit the X button. Then see this. Okay, that there, and yeah, Tama. So we know this is right. Shira, Tama. And you just do that with the other two. If you recognize it, like ko is a very common like suffix name ending. So most people know that one already. So this more complicated one here might be hard. Since it's kind of stylized, the font, it might take a couple tries to get the machine to recognize it. But overall, this website is pretty good. It's right, there we go. So you see there's a couple different things here, and again, here's the thing. Pronunciation, Ryu checks out. If I click on, let's say, I think it's this one. I check the pronunciation. Nope, that's not right. So yeah, there's that. So let me. Okay, so pretend that this wasn't here before and I copy pasted it into her thing. So there's how you do that. There's how you get kanji from an image, and let me drag these back onto this one actually. Just gonna clear this. So basically this website, you draw the picture, you click one of the ones on the bottom, and you double check the pronunciation to make sure that it lines up with, because most all of these have the pronunciation guide underneath. Okay, next we're gonna do Chinarasha, which on her page you can see it says Chimarasha. I misread it at first. Nu and Mao are actually not that similar, but I mistook one for the other, and a chimera is an animal, so I thought it said this. So red link, I'm going to create the page, even though I know full well this is the wrong name. And I can click here, like I can do Chi, Nu, Ra, or I can just Sha like that, and it will automatically, so Chi, Nu, Ra. Oh wait. And if you type the just like the hyphen, it will correct to the so copy paste, make it bold, just for the standard is Yoko Shiratama. Pretend I don't do the typos. I will edit this hopefully. To Ryuko's page, boop boop, and this will go right to here. So I'm gonna character top nav. This makes it so that when the page is done, there will be a thing and it will automatically create a gallery. Well, I mean, the page itself will be created, but it'll you can switch between the main page and the gallery page. So Shinarasha is Ryuko Shiratama's pet and likely her Zengai. There's also character template, which I honestly usually just go to Toby's page because it's the most in-depth one, and I just like copy paste and then delete stuff that is not applicable. For now, I just delete this. Image caption, none, species, how to eat life, novel, and there we go. Oh, it was already in there. Title 2, we do not need that. Name, Chinurasha. Manga debut, not applicable, so we just delete this. Okay, delete hair, I guess that could be fur color. Eyes, orange, and okay, Japanese, we already got that. Just copy, paste, also known as, we can just delete that, and so okay, relationships, okay, owner. Okay, so preview, this is what it looks like so far. Eventually an image will be there once I thing. Again, this is incorrect, but so this is good enough for now. Save page. So now to move a page and leave behind a redirect, I'm gonna go drop down menu, move. Okay, you pretty much always want the namespace to be the main. So now here's my reason for moving it, to try to leave a redirect behind. Usually you do want to keep this, but since it's a typo, I will not be keeping it because there's no reason to have it on the wiki. Move page. Now we can go here. This page does not exist, right? So here's this as I moved it to here. So now we have Chinurasha is here. Alright. Next, I'll just create a redirect from scratch. So Ryuko Shiratama is in Western name order, so I'm gonna copy paste this to, you know, the space corrects to a underscore automatically. So what I want to do here is just hit edit, and then what we do is all caps hashtag redirect. Redirect, spell it correct, fuck. And then link to Ryuko Shiratama. Preview. It will look like that. This little thing means the redirect. Save page. And to check that the redirect actually works, which it should, but delete that. Shiratama Ryuko. Now it redirects from the Japanese name order into her actual article, which is in the Western name order. So that is how you that's how you do that. That's how you make a redirect. Now let me actually fix the typo in her article. And boom, this is good now. I can click here. Chinurasha has a page. Ryuko has a page with it can be redirected from. So now if a good thing about redirecting is if I write this and redirect it from Shiratama Ryuko, it pops up first. So if you want to do like alphabetical, like, SHI, she pops up, which you wouldn't otherwise if it wasn't a redirect there. So hopefully that all made sense. I will try to make more tutorials in the future about various wiki stuff. I didn't have a script or anything this time, so sorry if it was a little messy. But I hope that was helpful in a couple different ways. And yeah, thanks.